Mohon perhatian, channel Efek Film segera dimulai. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Kembali lagi dengan saya Mbah Ronggo di channel Efek Film. Video kali ini saya akan melanjutkan merekap alur cerita film Game of Thrones episode di season yang kedua. Yang belum nonton season yang pertama silahkan cek dan klik link playlist di kolom deskripsi. Ojo lali di padam kesik subreke ben gak terlalu terang, nanti silau matanya nanti, ya kan? Padam kesik lah. Jangan lupa sebelum menikmati alur cerita filmnya, siapkan kopi dan udut serta jajanan pasar agar tidak mengantuk, ya kan? Game of Thrones season 2 episode 5 dimulai. Film diawali di camp Raja Renly di Stormland. Di dalam tenda, Raja Renly memberitahu Lady Catelyn bahwa dia dan putranya Robb akan menjadi sekutu alami.
We'll have dominion over all lands north of Merk Catelyn. Son can go on calling himself king in the north. The Baratheon and Stark will fight their common have done many times before. An enemy together. As they have. When that's done, morning I'll destroy my brother's army.
Catelyn memohon padanya untuk tidak pergi berperang dengan saudaranya, yaitu si Stannis, tapi Renly tidak mau mendengarkan.
Peace with your brother.
Negotiate with Stannis. To like debating the wind out there.
Saat dia meminta Catelyn untuk menyampaikan persyaratannya kepada Robb, awan gelap mengepul di dalam ruangan dan menyatu menjadi bentuk seorang pria dan menusukkan pedang gelap di dada raja. Lady Brienne dari Stark terlihat berteriak sebelum ada yang bisa bereaksi. Makhluk itu menghilang dan penjaga Renly bergegas ke dalam tenda untuk menyerang Brienne dengan asumsi dia yang membunuh. Dia membuat pekerjaan pendek dari laki-laki dan kemudian jatuh menangis di tubuh Renly tanpa pilihan lain. Catelyn menyarankan ke Lady Brienne untuk melarikan diri, bahwasanya mereka sudah dicap sebagai pembunuh meskipun mereka tidak melakukannya, agar dia dapat membalaskan dendam tentang kematian Raja Renly.
Don't avenge him if you're dead. Wait.
Keesokan harinya terlihat kapal-kapal perang dari Stannis Baratheon sudah mendekati daratan di mana camp dari Raja Renly berada. Kematian raja membuat camp berantakan, dan saat kapal Stanley muncul di Cakrawala, Littlefinger menasihati Margaery dan Loras Tyrell untuk melarikan diri selagi mereka masih bisa.
Lord, my lady, get out. Renly's bannermen will flock to him in an hour. When he arrives,
Renly.
I don't believe that. You that you want. Be smart. He sets foot on solid ground. If it is justice, but you won't have a chance to put your sword through Stannis.
Bring the horses.
Loras setuju untuk menunda balas dendamnya, dan setelah dia pergi, Margaery memberitahu Littlefinger, "Saya ingin menjadi ratu."
You want to be a queen?
No. Calling yourself king doesn't make you one.
Do you?
He wasn't a king, I wasn't a queen. I want to be the queen.
Beralih di King's Landing. Di dalam pendaratan King, Tyrion Lannister membawa berita kematian Renly kepada saudara perempuannya, yaitu si Cersei, yang minum sepanjang hari.
Still others say it was Stannis himself who did it.
Did I say well done?
It's not what negotiations went sour. Renly's army's flocking to support Stannis. Varys says Baratheon is coming for us. Sooner rather than later.
Dia masih marah dengan Tyrion karena menikahkan si Myrcella, dan dia menolak untuk memberitahu dia apa yang telah direncanakan si Joffrey untuk membela King's Landing.
In personal charge of siege preparations.
And yourself over it.
I ask specifically what the king has in mind.
The same. Specifically, or you may ask vaguely, the answer will be
It's important that we talk about this.
sensitive information from his counts. King's royal prerogative.
Sepupu dan kekasihnya Lancel Lannister bagaimanapun telah direkrut sebagai mata-mata Tyrion dan memberitahu kurcaci bahwa Joffrey ingin meluncurkan pot senyawa mistis yang disebut api liar dari tembok kota.
Smart money would be on more like...
I'm telling you the truth. The Alchemist Guild has been commissioned.
There's only one way to find out.
He's making wildfire.
But then perhaps his own unnatural urges would give him sympathy.
To launch it from the city walls into Stannis' pots. Already stored in their vaults, they are planning ships and armies. Please.
When did she tell you this?
I heard her talking with the pyromancer.
Beralih di camp Raja Stannis, terlihat Raja Stannis dan penasihatnya yaitu si Davos Seaworth berjalan melewati bekas camp Renly. Stannis telah merekrut sebagian besar anak buah saudara laki-lakinya yang telah meninggal dan siap untuk berlayar melawan King's Landing.
Sitting on the Iron Throne. Nothing is there to resist us now. Soon I should be when we sail for King's Landing. Soon as I've consolidated my troops. Once Blackwater Bay is cleared, I'll deliver a short work of the Lannisters' fleet, our troops to their doorstep and take the city.
Tetapi Davos memohon padanya untuk tidak mengejar kemenangannya dengan ilmu sihir. Pelayan yang setia berarti mengatakan kebenaran yang sulit, kata Davos, meyakinkan Stannis untuk setidaknya meninggalkan Melisandre ketika dia meluncurkan serangannya.
Loyal service means telling hard truths. Hard truth. What's the truth? She's a foreigner. Pre-chief, she whispers orders in your ear, and you are in a foreign religion. What do you believe? Lose them to her. You won those bannermen from Renly. We set out for King's Landing without Lady Melisandre.
My fruit, my lord. Fresh fruit.
Beralih di King's Landing, terlihat si Tyrion yang sedang berjalan-jalan di tengah pasar King's Landing, di mana dia mendengar seorang pria seniman jalanan menyebutnya sebagai monyet iblis.
Humiliated by Robb Stark's time-consuming.
Swollen, bloated. Yes, we are a rotten king. Fruit of the incest is rotten.
To argue with his assessment. You have to admire his imagination.
The omen of a twisted demon, munching down his blood-stained halls.
What about you? What? King Strings. They blame you.
Demon monkey?
Dia bertemu dengan seorang pria dari persekutuan alkemis yang menjelaskan bahwa api akan melelehkan kayu, batu, baja, dan juga daging.
It could well be true. The substance bearer not conducted this experiment burns so hot it melts and burns so hot it melts flesh, stone, even steel, and of course, flesh.
Sambil memegang pot zat hijau, Tyrion bertanya beberapa banyak senjata yang mereka buat, dan sang alkemis membawa si Tyrion ke sebuah ruangan yang ditumpuk dari lantai ke langit-langit dengan lebih dari 7.000 toples zat.
How much do you have?
I see. Because when we're flinging Thena battle, old man, but things can get things at Stannis. He's flinging them right back at us.
Have been working tirelessly, day and night. Your royal sister commanded us to count stands, and to do so. I press 7,811. Enough to burn Stannis Baratheon's fleet.
You concur with my advisor, Wisdom Haleen?
It's idea.
Contents of this room could lay King's Landing low.
Beralih di Kepulauan Besi, terlihat si Theon Greyjoy berdiri di dermaga Pike mengagumi kapalnya, tetapi awaknya tidak terkesan dengan kapten baru mereka. Seorang pria langsung mengancam untuk memberontak dan mengambil kapal.
Stop! Your captain commands you to stop! Stop! Where are we headed, Captain? Be spoils in it for you and women. The Stony Shore. To raid their village.
I could do the job of captain real well myself. Reckon I've got much use for a captain at all. You wouldn't know where I could find myself a ship when I needs a ship.
Would you?
We yield!
Tetapi ketika saudara perempuannya Theon, Yara, tiba dan berbicara kepada kelompok itu, orang-orang itu tertawa terbahak-bahak. Salah satu anak buah Theon, Dagmer, mengatakan padanya, mereka tidak akan menghormati Anda sampai Anda membuktikan diri.
I'll take you up. First, mate.
Yeah, that's the task.
Back to you until you prove yourself.
Beralih di Harrenhal, terlihat si Arya yang sedang menyajikan makanan untuk Tywin Lannister dan juga panji-panjinya di kastil Harrenhal yang berhantu. Tywin memberitahu komandannya untuk berhenti menunggu Robb gagal dan memulai mencari cara untuk menghentikannya. Tetapi tidak ada yang mempunyai ide.
Oh, no one's content. Mindful warfare, his men worship him. He is king in the north. As he keeps winning battles, they'll keep believing. So how do we stop him? Waiting for him to fail. He is not going to fail.
Work through the night, my lord.
Yes, I think you would, Reginald. And
Could profit from some sleep.
is it from that sleep?
Tywin mengetahui fakta bahwa Arya berasal dari utara dan bertanya kepadanya apa yang dia ketahui tentang Robb. Mereka memanggilnya serigala muda, katanya. Mereka bilang dia tidak bisa dibunuh.
Girl, you're a northerner, aren't you? Good. And one more time, where are you from?
My lord. House Dustin. 2 crossed long axes beneath a black crown.
And what do they say of Robb Stark in the north?
They call him the Young Wolf.
And
They say he rides into battle on the back of a giant direwolf. He can turn into a wolf himself when he wants. They say he can't be killed.
fetch that water.
Dan saat dia mengambil air untuk si Tywin Lannister, dan dia menemukan si Jaqen H'ghar, salah satu tahanan yang disimpan oleh Yoren di dalam sangkar.
The girl says nothing. Keeps her mouth closed. No one hears.
Sebagai imbalan Arya menyelamatkan hidupnya, Jaqen menawarkan 3 kematiannya. Bicaralah 3 nama, katanya padanya, dan seorang pria akan melakukan sisanya. Dia menamai ahli penyiksaan gunung Tikar.
A man owes 3. Man pays his debts. And only death may pay for life. The Red God takes what is his, lovely girl. 3 deaths from the Red God. You saved me and the 2 I was with. Speak 3 names. We have to give them back. 3 lives I will give you. No more, no, and the man will do the rest. No less. And we're done.
And you'll kill him. Can name anyone. They call him the Tickler.
Go now, girl. Your master's thirsty.
Beralih di sebelah utara tembok, terlihat orang-orang penjaga malam berjalan dengan susah payah melewati salju, menunggu penjaga hutan legendaris Thorin Halfdan untuk menemui mereka. Mereka berkemah di Bridge of the Freemen, membangun benteng kuno untuk bertahan melawan pasukan Welding.
Think of how old this place is. It took Westeros from the first men.
Before I
Targaryens defeated the Andals. Before the
Last is for Rangers returning. Wildlings
and 3 for White Walkers.
If it's been 1,000 years, how do you know?
Rode the horn 3 times.
Well, I read it in a book.
This Thorin Halfdan. Look.
Dan saat Thorin tiba dan memberitahu Mormont dan anak buahnya tentang pasukan besar Mance Rayder, mereka akan memukul kita dengan paksa. Dan mereka tidak akan lari ketika kita menyerang balik. Thorin memimpin sebuah pesta kecil, termasuk Jon Snow, untuk mengalahkan pengintai Mance.
One of them. He's got Mance was one of us once. Teach them our way of doing things. Run away when we hit back. They're gonna force, and they won't run away. Need to be more like them. Sneak in, kill Mance, march on the wall. And to do that, and scatter them to the winds before they come back. Stone Snake, Barber. I need to move fast and silent.
Lord Commander, I'd like to join Lord Corrin.
I hope you make a better ranger.
Beralih di kota Khat, terlihat si Daenerys dan pelayan perempuannya, yaitu si Iri, sedang bermain dengan salah satu naganya di rumah baru mereka.
Feed himself from now on.
Si Kharo Khan Dahos telah mengirimnya gaun. Dia menunjukkan kekayaannya kepada si Daenerys, akan tetapi si Daenerys malah menyindirnya. Terakhir kali orang kaya memberi saya gaun, dia menjual saya ke Khal Drogo.
Rich man gave me a dress. He was selling me to Khal Drogo. And they're happy. Men like to talk about other men. Yes. It would be. Should wear it, Khaleesi. You are the not a real princess in Zara.
Tetap saja dia mengenakan pakaian itu dan bergabung dengan pertemuan di taman, di mana dia bertemu dengan penyihir Pyat Pri yang menciptakan ilusi dan mengundangnya ke House of the Undine.
Mother of Dragons, I welcome you. On behalf of the Warlocks of Karth, a demonstration. This gem. Look at it. So many facets. Depths. And you can see yourself in them. Often more than once. Should you grow tired of Saro's baubles and trinkets, it would be an honor to host you at the House of the Undying.
Tiba-tiba ada seorang wanita bertopeng memperingatkan si Jorah untuk mengawasi si Daenerys.
You watch over her.
Do I know you?
You, Jorah Mormont of Bear Island, the mother of dragons.
Who are you?
I'm no one. She needs true protectors, now more than ever, born into the world again. And I shall come day and night to see the ones are fire made flesh. When they see, they shall lust. Fire is power.
Scene beralih, kita diperlihatkan si Catelyn dan Brienne naik ke perkemahan Robb, terguncang oleh apa yang mereka lihat. Brienne ingin kembali untuk membunuh si Stannis, tetapi Catelyn mengatakan kepadanya bahwa itu adalah bunuh diri.
Will you give me leave to go, my lady? Safely back amongst your own people. I swore a vow.
You mean to kill Stannis? Guards are sworn to keep him safe. A great army around him. Should never have fled. You served him bravely. Renly's death was no fault of yours.
Sebaliknya, Brienne berjanji untuk melayani si Catelyn. Aku akan memberikan hidupku untukmu jika itu yang terjadi, katanya.
That you will not hold me back from Stannis.
The time comes, I will not hold you back.
Shield your back, then I am yours, my lady. Wear it by the old gods and the new. My life for yours if it comes to that.
I vow that you shall always have a place in my home. I swear it. I shall ask no service of you that might bring you by the old gods and the new.
Beralih di Winterfell, terlihat si Bran memegang pengadilan di Winterfell, memberikan seorang petani beberapa anak yatim piatu untuk membantu mengembalakan kawanannya.
Over your flock. If you can give them room and board, send 2 orphan boys from Winterstown home with you.
After him, thank you, my lord. Always prayed for more children.
Ketika Ser Rodrik Cassel masuk dengan berita bahwa lapangan Dorne telah dikepung, Bran mengirim Rodrik dan pasukannya yang tersisa untuk melawan penjajah.
Many, 200 decent men. Do you need?
Take the men you need.
Won't take long, my lord. Southerners don't do well up here.
I dreamt that the sea came to Winterfell, waves crashing against the gates. I saw wet, and the water came flowing over the walls, flooded the castle, yard. Drowned men were floating here.
Beralih di kota Hard, terlihat si Haro yang sedang berjalan-jalan dengan si Daenerys. Dia menanyakan mengapa dia menginginkan tahta besi. Daenerys menjawab bahwa itu miliknya dengan hak. Lalu dia mengatakan padanya bahwa dia juga seorang penakluk, hanya kurang ambisius.
Throne is mine and I will take it. Mine by right.
A conqueror.
And how did you get all of this? Did someone give? Do you want Zarazar and Doxos?
Dia menunjukkan lemari besinya dan mengklaim bahwa dia bisa memiliki cukup uang untuk membeli kuda, kapal, dan apapun yang diperlukan untuk merebut kembali tanah airnya. Menikahlah denganku dan aku akan memberimu 7 kerajaan, katanya.
Find the door, and it can all be mine.
Oh. Oh. Enough to buy horses, ships, armies. Enough to go.
All I have to do.
Great ones for love, but the gods stole her from me.
That was a romantic proposal.
Me and I will give you the 7 kingdoms. I'm his right, Daenerys Targaryen, first of you. What's your name? Robert Baratheon is dead.
Jorah menentang gagasan itu, tetapi si Dany curiga dengan motivasi ksatria yang diasingkan itu. Kamu memiliki hati yang lembut, katanya. Buat jalanmu sendiri, sekutu yang kita butuhkan ada di Westeros.
Speak to me like I'm a child.
You have a good claim. See you on the Iron Throne. They cover it up and deny it, but you have a gentle heart. But you have something more than that. On ship, you only need one. Make your own way. The allies we need are in Westeros, Oka.
Beralih di Harrenhal, terlihat si Gendry yang sedang menempa pedang.
Side face.
Dia dan Arya mendengar teriakan dan bergegas ke keributan. Cikler terbaring mati di halaman, dan saat Arya melihat sekeliling, dia melihat Jahan. Dia telah menangani kematian pertamanya, dan dia memiliki 2 yang tersisa. Dan akhirnya Game of Thrones Season 2 episode 5 bersambung. Saksikan episode selanjutnya.